Understanding the phrase, bring to a boil, in English cooking. Hello and welcome, everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into a very common phrase used in English cooking, bring to a boil. This phrase might sound simple, but it's packed with meaning and is an essential part of many recipes. So, whether you're a budding chef or just curious about English cooking terms, this video is for you. Bring to a boil refers to the process of heating a liquid until it reaches its boiling point. This is the temperature at which the liquid starts to produce bubbles and steam, and it begins to evaporate more rapidly. It's a fundamental technique in cooking and is used in recipes worldwide, from soups and sauces to pasta and rice. Knowing when a liquid has reached a boil is key. Here are some signs. Large, consistent bubbles form and rise to the surface. You'll hear a distinct bubbling sound. The liquid will have visible steam coming off it. In most cases, the boiling liquid will move vigorously. When bringing a liquid to a boil, avoid these common mistakes. Not watching the pot. Liquids can go from simmering to boiling quickly. High heat for too long. This can lead to overboiling, where the liquid spills over. Covering the pot all the time. While a lid helps to boil faster, it's essential to check periodically. Bring to a boil is not just a step but a foundation for many recipes. Here are a few. Cooking pasta or rice. They need boiling water for proper cooking. Making soups and stews. Boiling helps to blend flavors and cook ingredients evenly. Preparing sauces. Boiling can help thicken and concentrate flavors. And that's all about bring to a boil. Remember, this simple phrase is a cornerstone in cooking, and mastering it can significantly improve your culinary skills. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.